Langan's Brasserie is an iconic restaurant, a destination here in London. It's located just in front of landmarks like the Ritz, Green Park or Buckingham Palace. My name is Samuel Bernam. I'm the general manager here at Langan's. Sustainability and the environment didn't just become a priority for ourselves at Langan's, but globally and generally. Our previous process in terms of food was just to bin it with all things non-recyclable. They will go then obviously to a landfill. So since we implemented the food digester, there is less truck coming to pick up our beans. There is less weight going into them as well. Process is fairly simple. All our food is basically separated in the kitchen or when coming back from the floor into specific bins. Then they go from there into the food digester and they will just get processed and digested naturally by enzymes, giving us absolutely no waste, just water that can go back to the drain. The kitchen porter and the cleaner love it obviously because it's much easier for them to dispose of the food in a much cleaner environment. Being in central London, obviously, every square meter is gold. The machine is not that large and can't fit in a small bin room. In terms of reliability, the Aerobic digester has caused us absolutely no issue, very little smell, and it stays very clean, which remove once again, close to your bins in central London, the pest issues can be a huge issue for some of our colleagues around the area. In terms of the economics, using the food digester allowed us first to reduce the weight that we send to the landfill. We managed to reduce by a fifth, more or less 20%, our waste bill at the end of the month, which was a huge positive financially, obviously. The Aerobic digester as well allows us to see the data of what we put in terms of weight and how we digest it. Our goal would be to go towards net zero and to have very little food waste. So we can see at times, when we do many changes or when we implement changes in the kitchen, the effect basically that it has on our waste as well, which is, I think, a great tool. There is more and more action that we can take as a restaurateur. A lot of the younger generation that come and work for us will ask us during the interview process, what are we doing in terms of sustainability? Have we got any programs? And I think we need to be quite literate and have a very articulate proposition, both for our clients and for our colleagues as well. We would certainly recommend the food aerobic digester to any business that got a deal with a specific amount of food waste. It will reduce greatly the amount of weight that you put through the landfill and through a truck. It will keep your back of house much cleaner. And actually, in the real world, in the real life, we're doing things that will make it better, and that will drive us towards better sustainability and look after the future generation.